So this is where all the testing is done, the final testing. So everything's put together, then it's tested again.
Final functional test.
So this is the brown, eh? The chocolate. Yeah, I haven't seen this color.
Okay.
Very nice.
You can move out.
Oh, no, no.
Can you show Dr.
Sure.
And bring one here. So,
Okay, so each chair has the serial number on the outside as well as on the inside on the metal frame.
Okay.
you have listed.
Yeah, yeah, and I just talked about that on my blog a couple of weeks ago.
So they enter their tester IDs, they have their own tester ID numbers. They enter the serial number and then they begin test and they check each of the system one by one.
Okay.
So let's see if I hit seat up or seat down, it will start doing something. So
So that's the seat
seat's
down.
going up. So when they see this working, they click pass. Now, once that's done, they could test for seat down. So they see that's working,
Okay.
give that pass.
Pass. Got it.
Okay, now on the back. So now this the back side is going down.
Mm-hmm.
It's going backward. It's forward. It's coming forward.
And pass.
So that way we go and check each of the things one by one to make sure everything's working.
Just a final functional
So
test.
you test the more specific
Right.
boards, and now you're checking to make sure that they're all.
System,
now the
because
system's
all this
working.
is made up of so many cables here,
Yes.
and there are bound to be human mistakes
Yeah.
all around.
Okay.
You see this cable going from the chair.
Chair to the
And
computer.
so, okay, so now let's say you see that one of the functions is not working, so you have to take up the motherboard, take it back and find out what cable
And
or
there
what.
could be many things could be wrong. Either the cable, some cables broken, some
Okay.
cables flipped, red wires going to green wire or something like that, or there's a problem with the PCB,
Okay.
or there's a bad transformer, so there's not enough power.
So how often do you find like an error during this
But
stage?
with this test, it's very fine-tuned now because you find specifically what part failed. For example, when the chair reclines, it doesn't do recline, and we just look into the actuator.
Okay.
We know that,
Okay.
So that way we can troubleshoot it, very easily.
Okay. Great. And how long does it take to test a chair, like to go through the whole test?
Several hours.
Oh, really?
Yes, and we even, do burning tests, after this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
My goodness.
This is the test after they put the motherboard.
Okay.
After that, they will remove this, put the actual keypad that goes with the chair, and they will check each button one by one,
Okay.
and that's what it's doing.
Oh, I see. Okay. So you're testing it on the computer and then you test it with the keypad.
Right.
So it's basically a redundant test, just with a different
This is more for checking the
different
keypad.
modality. Okay.
To make sure the whole system's going to function when it arrives.
Okay.
Because this is where we join the actual massage chair with the actual keypad that are going to be shipped together.
Okay. And what is this cute pink thing here?
This is the pedicure basin.
Okay, good. You should always have one of those nearby, I say. I think my wife would really enjoy being here right now.
And
Okay.
we have various other chairs that have been doing burn-in for a while.
Wonderful.
And I'll take you to the lab and
So this is the lab. And what do you do in here?
Where we do a lot of burning tests and initial tests on the new products.
we now have an ESD tester.
I don't know what any of that means.
Electrostatic discharge, so basically static shock.
Okay.
The problem with that chrome,
Yeah.
that one we caught it with this ESD gun.
Yeah.
It's basically it throws an ESD,
Like an electrical
like a static
charge.
charge,
Okay.
and that's how we caught it.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we can probably.
You gonna shoot me with that? You gonna check if I've?
I just put it out.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
I'll just,
Yeah.
okay. So the story behind this was when we had our chair first delivered to our showroom, the the chair kept breaking down over and over. And so we talked about it over the phone. We talked about it over the phone, and we decided, or you guys decided that, oh wow, now there's a spark. Decided that there was a metal trim on the remote that every time in the dry Utah climate, we would touch it, it would short out the remote or short out one of the boards.
Just reset it.
It would
That's what
reset.
it was doing.
So we said, you guys sent me, I think, 2 new remotes, and same thing happened both times. So you guys figured out with this, I guess, with this machine, that it was the static of the dry, you know, walking on the carpet in the dry desert heat of Utah, that it shorted out the remote. So that's fascinating, and that's how you figured it out.
Because we've been doing a lot of testing on wood floor, and then we have a concrete floor here, so we're not building up that static charge.
On carpet, like we did on carpet.
Yes, and this
Great.
is one of the test units we've been running for quite a while.
Okay.
This is,
We do some testing with different.
whenever we come up with new software, we test it on this chair first.
Okay. Very cool. Very cool.
We have,
Some monitors, some oscilloscopes to look through the signals.
Uh-huh.
yeah, some test keypads.
Okay. Wonderful. This is great.
Yeah, this is one of the other
Older.
an intermediate version that still has some wires.
Oh, okay.
That was used for testing.
Great.
And then here's kind of the filled out Bluetooth dongle. You can see
The old dongle.
all the little key parts on there.
Okay. And then from a distance, this looked like a soda machine or a fridge, but this is actually,
Yeah, we keep some of our other electronics in there.
is this a static-free environment, or why do you keep them in this kind of
It's just a little bit more expensive equipment.
Oh, okay. All right.
Over here we have the environmental chamber.
We have the what now?
Environmental chamber, we can simulate down to -40 and up to 100 degrees Celsius.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, all right.
So,
So you throw your motherboards in there?
Yes.
yeah, most of the
Oh.
product we develop, usually we go through this test.
Okay, got it.
So we can test it for colder climates, hotter climates.
That is great. Okay.
And then we have all equipment for engineering, research, development, prototype characterization. Yeah.
So these are completed motherboards, all done, all the soldering, all the painting, all the placement of everything, and now they go to test.
And then we have the smaller audio boards.
Okay.
So there's actually there's 3 or 4 main boards.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah,
And then our other products that are getting ready to go to.
Yeah, this is impressive, man. And this is your showroom. Oh, this is very nice. So you've got everything. Oh, yeah, you've got everything in here. So you can display your chairs, your pedicure tubs.
massage chair, home massage chair.
So those are the spa massage chairs. All right, that's how you started in the massage chair industry. So now you've got the iRobotic 6 in the black and the chocolate brown.
Please wait until body scan.
Different
Yeah, that sounds way better than mine.
Yeah.
We got to update the. Oh, so is this this caramel, or there's 3 colors, right? I forgot there's 3.
Caramel.
10.
The chocolate.
Chocolate brown. Okay. And I think I'll get some pictures too, just to put on the website.
Okay.
Oh, and here's the app.
Yes.
And this is where you got all that new functionality,
Changing time.
changing the time to
Yeah.
by minutes,
Yeah.
up by 1 to 30 minutes. And then what I really like was that you have the ability to adjust the intensity of the air and the rollers separately.
And you can choose our auto modes.
Healthcare mode activated.
Oh, cool. And if you want to add a new mode,
we
you can
do
just add it to this
Add it to
graphically,
this, and then we can push the update through the air.
because there's only so much room you have on the keypad.
Yes.
You can't make all those changes on the keypad. That is great. That really is great.
And with the tab, we have all the we can throw in as many buttons as we like, and you see manual mode, personal settings, and for the chair adjustment, you have all these.
Okay.
For chair adjustment.
And at the point of this recording, the app is only through the Google Play
Yes.
for Android right now. It's not ready for Apple.
We're working with Apple, but it's working with Apple on Bluetooth is tricky.
I've heard that as well. I think I know there's another company that has the same struggle.
It's
Like they like your remote.
So this is the Bluetooth dongle, and this allows for what now again?
For Bluetooth,
connectivity.
they
Okay.
can Bluetooth connect.
So it's just like a little circuit.
Right. So if they don't want
box.
to use it, they disconnect it and they just directly connect this keypad in here.
Oh, I
If they
see.
want Bluetooth connectivity, they just throw in this dongle in between in the line.
Got it. Okay,
And
so that's what I need on mine in
Yes.
my showroom then. Okay,
Exactly.
great.
And then here's the phone app.
Okay.
this is the Vietnamese voice.
That's great. Okay, that is neat. So that's basically what you had here, but on the
Yes,
phone.
Exactly.
And you can have multiple Bluetooth controllers going. You can have up to
16, 15,
15.
15.
Now, why would you have multiple Bluetooth, just for different person? Like if my wife wanted one for her settings?
No, let's say in the doctor office or chiropractor office, they have 5 different chairs, and they want to use app to control all 5 chairs.
Oh, I see. Okay, so it's for multiple chairs, not for each person having their own
No,
settings on their own app.
Right.
Okay.
So when you open the app, you press to connect the massage chair, and it will try to search what devices we have here. Right now,
Lots of them, 3 of them.
Yeah, probably is also catching some phone.
Probably.
Yeah. So whoever is on Bluetooth will catch it.
There you go. So then you
right
pick.
now we have 2 chairs with the dongle. That chair address is Bluetooth 9. This one's Bluetooth 7. And you can actually, there's a button you can set that address. You
Okay.
need to have a different address so that you can connect to different chairs.
Okay.
So for
Then
that
you just
and,
select the one,
connect that.
and now it's ready to go on that chair.
And it picks up wherever the keypad left off. So if you change something on the keypad, say if you go to
Some other massage
the
mode
night mode,
Night massage mode
and shift
activated.
to night mode. So you can have both working at the same time, or just one of them working, or
Okay.
either way.
Body scanning is active.
yeah, and this,
Very nice.
this and that,
Morning massage
actually they
mode
sync together. Whatever
activated.
you select here,
Oh, I see. Okay.
also show on that.
Massage mode.
Okay, so what if you're using something that's on here but not on the remote?
Let's say, for
Like the,
example, I'm changing the air intensity
Mm-hmm.
to 3, and then it changes the intensity to
Oh, I
3
see.
here, to maximum.
Okay, all right. But if you change the roller, the robotic intensity,
Yeah, we don't have a display for that on the keypad.
okay. So,
So,
Body scanning is complete.
that's
okay.
and keypad anyways doesn't have robotic intensity control. So
Okay. Yeah, well, that's why I was wondering,
That's
if you've got something on here, does anything show up on there if you're using something here that is not on the keypad?
yeah,
No.
no.
if you change the time, it will reflect the new time.
Okay,
Say if you go to 25,
right.
25.
25.
and it'll start your countdown from 25.
Okay, got it. Okay, so this is the warehouse.
Yeah, the product when assembly,
After assembly, everything's brought in here.
some
Well, hold it. After assembly, they get tested.
tested,
Then brought in
everything,
here.
then ready to ship out, go here, and
Who-
also some component, also we stock in here.
The raw components are
Yeah, raw
Who
component.
packs up all the tested and ready to go stuff?
Up there, people up there.
Okay. Wow. You got a lot of stuff packed in here. Yeah.
Also component.
Because we have lots of different products. We have some cables.
Gee, who's in charge of inventory control?
We have 2 guys who are in charge of it.
Man,
Yeah, I mean, belt drives.
Yeah,
well, it's not like you just have big chair boxes. You've got like components galore.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, got it. Yeah. How many square feet is the whole thing? Your whole 42,000 for everything.
we're running out of space.
Yeah, I get that. Wow, this is great. Man, thank goodness someone knows what they're
All
doing
the
here.
Prototypes there.
Wow.
And these are our pedicure.
Chairs ready to ship. This is great. And that's your warehouse. Yeah, I hope so. Dude, I hope so. That's your service. Oh, yeah. You bet you need something like that.
Kept for many years.
Oh, yeah, you got to have your own server. Hi, Tom.
Okay,
Oh.
we go back here. This is another office area.
Oh, this is back out to the front entry.
Technical support.
Good. Hi.
Another conference room.
Another conference room.
Engineering.
You put me in the nice room, the nice conference room. Thank you. And there's the face of the company right there.
Yeah.
That's who everybody gets to see when they want to know what's going on at Luraco. Well, this is great.